Hi viewers, this is Sai Krishna. You are watching Artech by Kitto. In this video, we discuss about the top 10 true wireless earbuds from the price range of 1500 rupees only. Watch the full video for the best offers. If you still not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe and share with your family and friends. Hey guys, my best suggestion for who purchasing the true wireless earbuds, you must select the in-ear type of earbuds because in-ear type of earbuds avoid the noise from outside and fit comfortably in ear. Firstly, at the price of 1499 rupees. From the brand New Republic and model Starbuds True Wireless Earbuds. These True Wireless Earbuds are available in Amazon. This product link provided in the description also. Firstly, we talking about the features. These earbuds comes with the latest version Bluetooth 5.0, water and sweat resistant, touch controls, voice assistants also. They providing the charging case with 350 mAh longer battery. Each earbud having the 4 to 5 hours of playtime. The each earbuds taking 1 hour time for charging. With the charging case, the earbuds totally plays 20 hours of playtime. At this lowest budget, they providing the Type-C port also. Secondly, we talking about the sound quality. I give the rating for this product considering the price. For the sound, 3.8 star, bass 3.5 star, battery life 4.5 star, call quality 4.0 star. Finally, your budget is below 1500, blindly you can purchase this product. Next one at the price range of 1799 rupees. From the branding Redmi and the model name is Redmi Earbuds S. These earbuds available in the Amazon and link in the description. Features: sleek and stylish design, ultra lightweight, 4 grams only, 12 hours of playback time with the charging case. Each earbud having the 4 hours of playback time, Bluetooth version 5.0, 122 millisecond low latency mode for the gaming, sweat and splash proof rating with the IPX4 rating, punchier sound and DSP environmental noise cancellation, voice assistant also. Sound quality rating wise. For the sound, 4 star, bass 3.8 star, battery life 3 star, call quality 3.8 star. These earbuds compatible for gaming lovers, not for music lovers. Next one at the price range of 1899 rupees. From the branding Noise, model name is Noise Shots X1 Air TWS. These earbuds available in the Flipkart and link in the description. Features: water resistant with IPX6 rating, so you can use when it's raining also. Bluetooth version 5.0, battery life 7 hours of playback time in each earbud, charging time it's take 2 hours, touch control, voice assistant, lightweight. Sound quality rating wise. For the sound, 4.2 star, bass 4 star, battery life 4 star, call quality 4 star. These earbuds compatible for the music lovers and heavy users. Next one at the price range of 1999 rupees. From the branding Realme and model name is Realme Buds Q. These earbuds are available in the realme.com and Amazon also. Features: cobalt design, ultra lightweight, 20 hours of playback time with the 400 mAh charging case. Each earbud having the 4.5 hours of playback time, Bluetooth version 5.0, 119 milliseconds super low latency for gaming, touch controls, IPX4 water and sweat resistance. About the sound quality rating wise. For the sound, 4.2, bass 4 star, battery life 4 star, call quality 4 star. These earbuds compatible for the all users for gaming and music quality at this price segment. Next one at the price range of 2099 rupees. From the branding Bolt and model name is Bolt Audio Airbase Twin Pods. These earbuds available in the Flipkart, link in the description. Features: secure fit, high fidelity audio with 3D surround sound, extra bass, battery life of each earbuds 8 to 10 hours with the charging case 48 hours of longer battery, IPX5 rating, water and sweat resistant, voice assistant. Mono calling technology. Rating for these earbuds. For the sound, 4.2 star, bass 4.5 star, call quality 4.5 star, battery life 4.8 star. These earbuds compatible for the music lovers and heavy call users. These earbuds having the best features at this price range. Next one at the price range of 2799 rupees. From the branding Noise and model name is Noise Shots Novo. These earbuds available in the Amazon and link in the description. Features: mainly fast charging, 10 minutes of charging give 8 minutes of playback time. Each earbuds having the 4 hours of playback time and with the charging case 800 mAh longer battery with 32 hours of playback time, hi-fi sound, touch controls, quick pairing, voice assistant, IPX4 water and sweat resistant. Rating for these earbuds. For the sound, 4.5 star, bass 4 star, battery life 4.5 star, calling 4.2 star. These earbuds having the longer battery life for heavy users and sound quality is hi-fi sound for music lovers. Next one at the price range of 2499 rupees. These earbuds available in the Flipkart, link in the description. Features small and ultra lightweight design, 5 hours of playback time in each earbuds, 20 hours of playback time with the charging case, IPX5 water and dust resistant, noise cancellation for calling, touch controls, Bluetooth version 5.0, 8mm dynamic drivers. Rating for these earbuds. For the sound 4 star, bass 3.8 star, call quality 4.5 star, battery life 4 star. These earbuds compatible for heavy call users because it supports the noise cancellation. Next one at the price range of 2999 rupees. From the branding Soundcore and the model name is Soundcore Life Note TWS. These earbuds available in the Flipkart and link in the description. Features mainly these earbuds coming with the 4 mics for clear calls, fast charging, 10 minutes of charging giving the 1 hour of playback time, IPX water and dust resistant, USB Type-C 7 hours of playback time in each earbud with the charging case 40 hours of playback time, low latency mode, Bluetooth 5.0. Rating for these earbuds. For the sound 3.8 star, bass 3.5 star, call quality 4.8 star, battery life 4.5 star. These earbuds mostly compatible for the heavy call users because it comes with the 4 mics. Next one at the price range of 2999 rupees. From the branding Boat and model name is Boat AirDops 511 version 2. These earbuds available in the Amazon and link in the description. Features these earbuds comes with the dual microphone, instant pairing, IPX4 water and sweat resistant, 500 mAh longer battery for 24 hours of playback time. Each earbuds having the 6 hours of playback time, voice assistant also. Rating for these earbuds. For the sound 4 star, bass 3.8 star, call quality 4.5 star, battery life 4 star. Final one at the price range of 2999 rupees. From the branding Realme and model name is Realme Buds Air Neo. These earbuds available in the Flipkart, link in the description. Features super low latency mode for gaming, Bluetooth version 5.0, 13mm bass boost drivers, voice assistant, lightweight, IPX5 water rating, R1 chip, touch controls, 17 hours of playback time with the charging case, 3 hours of playback time with the earbuds. Rating for these earbuds. For sound 4 star, bass 4 star, call quality 3.8 star, battery life 3 star. These earbuds not a in-ear type, so the outside noise is heavy. But in indoor condition it's excellent sound quality, and for gamers it has a low latency mode, super low latency mode. Hey guys, bonus for the watch full video viewers. I think your budget is very low. At the price range of 999 rupees, this is the best true wireless earbuds. Branding NU Republic, model name is NU Republic Starbuds 3. These earbuds available in the Amazon and link in the description. Firstly, we're talking about the features. These earbuds comes with the Bluetooth version 5.0, button control, voice assistant, button in microphone, 5 hours of playback time in each earbuds, 20 hours of playback time in the charging case, and it takes 2 hours of charging time. Rating for these earbuds. For the sound 3.5 star, bass 3.8 star, call quality 3.2 star, for the battery life 4.5 star. This earbud price only 999 rupees, but the features is awesome. You can blindly purchase these earbuds at this price. Hey guys, these are the top 10 true wireless earbuds from the price range of 999 rupees. Hope you all like this video. For more technology information, gadget reviews, do subscribe our channel and share with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.